Poos? Yeah? Are you a happy boy? Where's Sophia? No, did you? Yeah, are you done yours? Sophia did a poo. Mama's pretty kisses. Very good, Sophia. Very good. My sweet baby boy. Where's my kisses? She's such a pooster when she poos. She pooped on the baby boy. My pretty kisses. What is that? Well, you better not be on my head. They're not up there. You are the sweet baby boy. Say hi. Peekaboo. Oliver, jump. What? You're my sweet boy. Come on, Sophia's a poster. Well, she's calling you. You should go see her. Okay, you want kisses first? Good boy. Good boy. Get another one. Come on.
Come on, baby girl.
Very good.
That was good, baby.
What a good girl. What'd you think of that, Oliver? She's doing good. Good girl. You tell Sophia good morning. Are you kissing the cage? That's really good, baby. What are you doing? You know your name. Hi, Sophia. Hi, pretty girl. Kisses, baby. She's not being mean. When? What? Oliver. You want pretty kisses? You can't get them on my head. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, peekaboo.